Hello marketers, my name is Leon from How to Webmaster. Thanks for checking out another episode. Today I will show you how to easily flip domain names to local business owners. So right here is one of my examples. A few years ago I bought this domain right here, registered it brand new, Lancaster Orthodontist. And the domain I bought it was brand new for about $5 more or less. You can register brand new.com domain names from $1 as promotional prices up to about $10, $12. There's always promotions on new domain names, and this domain flipping strategies is basically reselling city domain names with a profession such as orthodontists, plumbers, lawyers, roofers. And here's a basic email I've sent to these local businesses located in the city, Lancaster. And these business owners are orthodontists. So I found them through basic Google search. Got a list of these sites. Found all their emails, about more or less 10. Sent them this simple little email, and I make sure I told them that I'm sending this email to these lists of orthodontists in the area of Lancaster, the city, so that way they see that there's competition and other people might snatch up this domain that I'm selling right here, Lancaster Orthodontist, and be the first one to buy this domain, $300 or to the highest offer. And this is the email I got. This one offered $150, so I took the deal and made about $140 more or less, minus the domain fees and PayPal fees. And there are a lot of opportunities, a lot of professions and offers around the city. So here's an example in New York City, and this is Craigslist. So there are all kinds of jobs and opportunities. So for example, New York City accounting, New York City manufacturing, New York City marketing, and each one of these categories have sub categories. For instance, in the health field, right here, there's doctors, there's dentists. So you can buy domains in New York City for doctors, dentists, and lawyers. So everything there's a lot of opportunities, and there's a lot of cities, and you can do this from anywhere in the world, any countries. Just target the popular cities. So all you have to do is go to Google and search for something like text list of popular cities in whatever country you're interested in. So for me, it's the USA, and there's a bunch of resources where they list a bunch of cities. So I found this one. This one is a nice CSV Excel file you can check out. So I'm going to just copy this one since it's already in a nice copy and paste text format. And what I do is I paste it into Excel right here. That way you can append or add in your profession at the end of the city, such as Aberdeen lawyers, or you can even put it in the front, lawyers in Aberdeen. So it's up to you. And the first thing you want to do is make sure you replace all the spaces. So what you do is Control F to find and replace. Make sure you click on replace, and here in the find what, just hit the space bar to have this empty space here replaced with nothing. And you can see it made 115 replacement of all the cities that have a space, such as Atlantic City. So it removes the space, because when you search for domain names, you can't have spaces, and that's why. And then in this column, you can add in your profession. I'm gonna try to do orthodontist again. Let's see if there's more opportunities. So just drag it all the way down, and now you copy these two columns, open up a notepad, just control paste, and then once again you want to remove this empty space, replace it with nothing. There it is. And let's copy and paste this list, and then do a domain search. There are quite a few places to do a bulk domain search, but I like namebright.com the best. It's fast, easy, nothing to sign up. Just go to namebright.com, do a bulk search right here, click on that. You can do up to 5,000 domain searches. The only thing is it only allows these extensions. It will only search for these extensions, which is fine. So just paste it in, click on search, and it's usually pretty fast. Okay, so it found 35 domains are available, and again, these are some of the most popular cities in the US. 35 domains, and you can register these domains from $1 to $5. Please check my domaindeals.com link below this video. I'll show you where to register a domain for $1 and other new promotional prices. Please check out the link below this video. And again, you can search for almost any profession: plumbers, lawyers, doctors, with cities. A lot of opportunities to easily flip domains to those guys, these local domains. So I hope this video gives you some ideas about how to flip domains to local business owners. I hope this helps. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. And until next time, happy marketing.